Just make sure you follow the road. So welcome to this video. Lillie's taken the wrong way. I've missed this sign. Sideways on, to be fair. Let's see what happens. Please remember to like, subscribe and press notify for more videos. Keep going. Let's follow the road. What's the chevrons? Where are they taking us? Back there, the signs. Let's ease off a bit.
What do you mean?
That was a corner with chevrons on it. So where, if I said follow the road, where are we?
Did you mean go around?
Follow the road, yeah, don't come out your road. The road is going around the bend. So you've taken the left turn. Let's carry on and see what happens.
Sorry.
Well, he's off. It's a single track road with potholes.
With potholes?
Yes. It's got to come somewhere. I think it's like the Great Bowden, I think.
Oh, God.
So it's quite easy to confuse a bend with a turn or...
Well, yeah, you said go straight on, so I thought...
I said follow the road. Follow the...
Follow the... I can't remember what you said.
I think I said follow the... Oh, no. That's the oil sump hitting the bottom of the road. Oh, God. Where's this going to? Okay.
Where have you taken me, Richard?
Just follow the... Well, follow the road.
I can't remember what you said. Did you say straight on, or did you say...
I didn't say it would be a little... I'd say turn left. It was turn left, wouldn't I? So there you go. It's got to go somewhere. I'm sure I said follow the road. Well, you just said follow the road because I don't think you looked at the road signs and acknowledged the paint on the road possibly.
No, I didn't.
And the left bend of the road. Never mind.
Oh well.
It's nice down here.
Very rural.
The road's getting a bit more
Off-road.
rural.
Bloody hell.
This must be a back way to Great Bowden. It's got to be.
I've never been on this road, ever.
All right.
It's all a bit scenic, isn't it?
Yeah. It is a blackberry pushing, picking. Right, slow down a bit, it's a bit sharp. Yeah. Sold, what have they sold?
Fish are German, they've sold
it. 65 acres. Wow.
That's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a whole farm, isn't it?
Farm.
Let's be careful. Because we're stopping half that distance. Okay, that's fine. Oh, so far so good. Could have found a new rural road.
Yeah. It is a bit narrow though, isn't it?
It's a bit narrow, isn't it?
What happens if we just keep driving it? It's just we're driving on grass.
Yeah, mate. Sharks. Oh, hang on. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
Slowing.
I think you might want to change gear. Don't look at the gears too. You really want to be looking about. Okay, there's a. Oh hell.
Oh. I keep driving. Keep driving. Oh. I'm scared we're gonna end up in a ditch.
Okay, where the hell is going on?
Richard.
Oh bloody hell! Slow down, Lillie. Hang on, that's a turning place.
Do you want me to turn around here?
Whoa.
Is that a bridge? Can we go over that?
That is a footbridge.
I've not done reversing before.
Okay, now. Oh god, I've had a week of... It's like deja vu all over again.
Why don't we go down there and see what's down there?
Okay,
it might just be a road. We said you were
going to do
country. Oh, you must.
We are doing a country road, aren't we? Yeah. So keep it nice and straight. Look at that. No, that's going nowhere, Lillie.
No, that is.
Oh god.
Why don't...
No. Why don't we reverse it back the way we come? We know we came down that way, so we can go that way, can't we? Yeah. Right, pop it into reverse. Down.
I don't know how to.
So down and across and up. Okay, now all around you. Reverse it back. Now, it's like going forwards, but the other way. What I mean is, slow down, take your time. So if you want the car to go that way, you steer it that way, and if you want the car to go that way, you steer it that way.
Okay.
Right then. Why would they let you have a road that just doesn't turn into a road? So slightly to the right. I'm going to help you here. That's it. You might. That's it. So a bit more that way. That's it. Yeah, only subtly. I'm back again. That's it. Now a bit that way.
Oh, is it?
It's going that way as well. Ah. Oh, goodness me. I think he's fallen for the same trick, isn't he? Environmental agency. Right, come forward a second. Come on, I'll help you now. Go on, come off the pedals. Off the pedals. Oh. I've only been doing this for many years.
Where's he going?
I don't know.
Why has he just stopped there?
I don't know. What are we going to do here? I'll help you here. We had a good attempt there.
I thought he would have went somewhere at least.
So we're going to go full up round there. Right.
Where's he going?
Let's go down there.
Unless it opens up down there.
Well, it didn't, did it?
Well, should we have a look where he's going? Because
He's an it says environmental agency. He might be looking after the footbridge or something. He's stopping.
I reckon there's a road.
Don't go. No. Quit while you're ahead. Right, now how are you going to get out of this? First gear. To the left. Right, full lock. That's it. Just clutch control. Ooh, okay, we do it in one go. Alright, fair enough. Off we go then. Alright. Bit left, bit right. Slow it down, Lils. Yeah, because that's what happens if you go too fast through potholes. If it... Look at that one. Look, I'm seeing a lot of... So I'm going to put my windows up. It's all stinging there. Look, go that side. You can, stop looking up. Look, you look. Stop looking. Stop staying. Keep it straight.
To look at.
Keep it straight, Lily.
Oh, bloody hell. Where the hell did that lead up? I wonder what it's like if you go over that bridge.
Second gear then. It was a footbridge.
Yeah, but that
wide.
van was going round the
What's the
corner.
pothole, please? When are you going on holiday again?
I'm not.
Really? I'll pay for you to go away.
You'll pay for me to go away. Shut up.
A couple of weeks away. That's really nothing personal.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Right, here we go then. It's opened up. Hooray!
Woo! Gross.
Because you didn't listen to me.
Oh, because I didn't listen. I can't believe that. Wait until my mum sees that video. I really think that road carried on, you know.